This is my friend Shibu preparing rice pita. This white powder is rice powder, and this is the way he prepared rice pita. I'm experiencing this for the first time, and this is what is this called? Kil. I don't know what is this, but name is kil something. Sugar is added. It should be rolled like this. Then you need to add water. You stick themselves by itself. And see, it's very tasty. This is the rice pita. If you want to prepare another pita, then you have to remove all these dirts, burn, and you have to start over again. While spreading it, just be careful not to touch that hot pan. This is nice. Nice one. Since we are in hostel, we don't have much amenities. Okay. Okay, this is how we prepare pita in hostel, and guys, you can do it yourself at home also. Okay, thank you.